Hello guys, welcome to my vlog guys. Time check now is 3 PM guys, no. Pauwi na kami ng aming bahay guys. Medyo makulimlim na guys, no. Pupunta pa kami sa mall, no. Kumain lang kami dyan sa labas ng kanto. Medyo natagalan kami guys, no, kasi marami kaming nakikita. Alam mo naman guys, no. So happy tayo guys, no. Okay naman yung aming shore leave guys, no. Medyo happy kami. Yun yung aking kasama. Hihi. Okay guys, pupunta na kami sa kung saan kami guys, no. Sunduin kami ng aming taxi guys, no. Taxi service pala guys. Yun. Oh, hello. Hey guys, no. Dito pala kami. Ito yung nasa. Oh, yun. Uy, dito
pala sila.
Uy, dito pala. Oh, dito pala. Hello, sir. Oh, ito. Yan. Dito. Okay, nagtawin muna kami. Excuse me. Yes. Hello. Thank you. At ito pala yung nasa likod namin guys, Yacht Club, no? Hello. Yun, makikita nyo guys, napakaganda para sa mga mayayaman na may service guys, no. Yung kanila yachts guys dyan, no, sa likod. So dito kami sa Boulevard guys, no. So padaanan natin yung mga kaibigan nating local dito. Hi, hello, welcome to my friends here in USB. Hello, welcome here. Hi guys, how are you? This is my friend. I'm from here, Philippines. Welcome to my vlog here. Yes, this is my friends. Hi. Hello. Hi, say hello. Hi. Yeah, thank you very much. You're very good. Thank you. Yeah. Say hello again. Hi. Thank you very much. Okay guys, no. Kaka-enjoy, no, sa mga local dito. Thank you guys, no. Hello. Okay, nandun na yung aking kasama guys. Thank you.